BE Technical.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The next series will be on Bootstrap 4 and CSS. These two concepts are very important when you're learning web development. So we will start learning how to add a header and a footer on your web page. Now, let us run this code and see how our header look like. Wow! Isn't this header looking great? I have used background color dark. Secondly, I have written my heading using h1 tag, and I have written, this is my header using paragraph tag. Now, let us write the code to add a footer to this page. I have just copied the code for header and changed the text inside to footer and placed below it, so that it's easy for me to identify which part is header and which part is footer. To fill up the gap between header and footer, we write some text in between them, inside the body of our page. Now this page has a header and a footer with some text in between them. Well, that's great, you just learned how to add header and footer to your page. Now let's change the color of alt text and enhance our page. Wow! You could see the gap between the text and the header got fixed. Also, you could see the change of color in your heading. So guys, that's it for now. I will be coming up with more tutorials on Bootstrap 4 and CSS. To learn more, do not forget to subscribe, be technical, and yes, press the bell icon for instant notification whenever I come up with a new video.